how to scrape data from any websites like Flipkart, Amazon and so on with the help of ChatGPT. For that, go to ChatGPT first and enter the prompt. So this is the prompt: web scrape data for. So I'm just gonna use this Amazon. This is the smartphone under 20,000. So I'll copy the link and paste it over here. Okay. Next I'll enter prompt as using Python and beautiful shop. Okay. In single file app.py. So this gonna generate a complete code for you, and once the code gets generated, you can easily copy this code. So this is the complete code of the list of phones with price and so on. So I'll copy the link and create a folder. So I'll name this folder as scrape of Amazon. Okay. Once the folder is created, I'll open VS Code first with new window, and I will copy this folder over here. Okay. So this will create a folder in VS Code, and next what I'll do, I'll create a file. The name of the file will be app.py. Okay. This is a Python file. Next I'll paste the code over here which I have copied from ChatGPT. So this is the complete code. In order to run this code, we have to run some of the commands. Okay. So some of the commands are listed here. You can see this is to delete the older virtual environment folder. Next is for creating a new virtual environment, you can use Python 3. Okay, venv. Okay. Next you have to activate the new virtual environment. For that you have to give the source, and to activate that you have to enter venv/script and activate, and final you can enter pip install requirement beautiful shop. Okay. Once it is done, this will install all the packages which are required for your VS Code to run this file. Okay. So next we can enter the command python app.py. Okay, or you can execute this by clicking on run file, and this is the complete output of that code. Okay, you can see this has scraped all the data from Amazon and provided over here. So this is the complete data which is listed. Some of the data are not found, so you can see here title not found and price not found. Okay, so the whatever data which has been scraped from Amazon is listed here. So I'll make it full screen, and you can see here these are the list of phones with specifications and prices. Okay, so you can choose any of these phones under 20,000 to buy, and these are the complete specifications. And you can see here there are options of multiple phones like Realme, iQOO, Samsung and so on. Okay, some of them are 5G phone, so you can scrape any kind of data, whether it's a phone or laptop or any books. You can easily scrape that data. See, there are multiple phones you can see which has been scraped from Amazon. Okay, there is Samsung Galaxy, Redmi, okay, Realme, iQOO. So all the phones are under 20,000. It's very helpful for the person who loves to scrape data. So I have set up all my virtual environment here. So this is the complete specifications of the phone which are listed over here. You can choose these phones and buy it. Okay, in this way you can easily scrape any kind of data which you love, and it will be helpful for the developers who love to scrape data from any websites, and this will be helpful for all the developers who are interested in creating any websites or applications. Okay, so in this way you can easily scrape any data from any websites, whether Flipkart, Amazon or any other websites. So it will help you to know the price and the specifications of that tools or the gadgets or any phones or any devices. Okay, and this will help you to create your own data. In this way you can take the use of this scrape data and create your own database. Okay, I hope it will help you. To watch more such video, you can subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.